Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare Malpua. Guys, for Malpua, I am making a batter. So we have to prepare a batter. So for that reason, I am taking 4 tablespoons of Maida. And now I will put Semolina or Sooji. So I am taking 3 tablespoons of Semolina or Sooji. Now I will put Fennel Seeds-Few Fennel Seeds, and now I will mix this. And we'll put milk, half cup of milk. Now I will mix this with the help of hand blender. So if you think that your batter consistency is thick enough, then you can put more milk in it. One and a half tablespoon of sugar. And just a pinch of salt. And then again mix this. So batter for Malpua is ready. Now we will fry this. So we will make a sugar syrup for Malpua. We'll put half cup of water. If we need more, then we can put more. And in this, I'm giving 1 cup of sugar. And we'll stir it. We will make a thin sugar syrup for this. I'm not making thick for Malpua because Malpua should be dissolved in this sugar syrup. Now in this I will put elaichi, 2 elaichi for the fragrance. We'll again just stir it. So this sugar syrup is ready. I will not thicken it up. It will be a little bit thin with this consistency. It's done. I will switch off the gas. Okay, so now it's time for me to prepare Malpua. So for that I have heated this karai and will put this refined oil for frying this Malpua. Now let the oil gets heated properly. Then I will put 1 by 1 Malpua in this and will fry it. Now I will put this batter for Malpua slowly. I'm making a small size Malpua. I will fry this in low flame. When it will turn a light brown in color, then we will take this out from karai. I will take this out. One plate. Now I will fry the rest one. When one side is turning light brown color, then you have to flip the other side for frying. But you have to be careful because sometimes it stick together, so on that time it becomes very difficult to separate them. So just carefully you have to separate them with the help of spatula. Okay, sorry, now it's time for me to prepare this Malpua, means it's the final stage. So for that I'm taking one Malpua and will dissolve in this sugar syrup like this, and